Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Halo Inc. Today I'm going to show you how we actually make our Kanban cards. So if we come over here, come on in. Here on our farm we have different templates here. Currently we're making a screen print Kanban. So we have a blank fillable and a purchasing department. The blank fillable is, you'll notice the bottom here is going to be blue. That's for our internal departmental ordering. So any department can actually order this themselves. If it's something that needs to be purchased for the house or outside of the department, we would select the purchasing department Kanban. So this particular one is internal departmental wise, so we're going to go ahead and keep this one blue. Today we're doing extra heavy block out number 10. This is our old Kanban. So we're essentially going to take this information and transfer it over. So up here in the top line, we're going to go extra heavy block out number 10. Okay, I'm going to hit edit PDF. All right, that's going to allow me to add a picture here. So what I've done prior to going in here is I Googled the image. I Googled this, and then I actually got an image of this because having text on there is great, but then also having a good visual indicator as far as what you're reordering definitely helps. So we're going to go ahead and replace our image. And let's see, we saved it here in our download folder, called it block out. So I just highlight that and hit open. All right, there's our block out there. I can close that. And let's see here, I want to just delete this one here. All right, so we're just going to delete that. Then I'm going to go ahead and close that, allowing me to continue to edit. So our Kanban level here, let's see, based on the previous one, it says half a gallon. So we're going to go with that. 1/2 gallon. Order quantity. It comes in a gallon, so it's going to be 1 gallon. Product location. Product location is in the dark room currently. Machine settings, notes. Don't need to fill those out really. Vendor is going to be Multicraft. Oops. Let's see, I do not have a part number on this, so I'm going to call it extra heavy block out. Number 10. Website is multicraft.com. And let's see here, I'm going to search for the website real quick because I think their phone number has changed. Uh, 244-9444. 244-9444. Okay, so I have all the fields filled out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this. So file save. And it's going to ask me different folders that I'd like to save that in. I like to save it in the screen print Kanban, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that folder here. And I'm going to change up the verbiage that it's going to save under. So extra heavy block out number 10. Okay, so you see we've jumped right in. I know it gave us an error code. I'm not sure why the error code comes up, but searching in our Kanban folder under screen print, you can see extra heavy block out. Here it is. Next thing we need to do is print that. So currently it's saved, and I'll show you the printing process.